Fáilte roimh arís de Cardia Iascare, and today we're going fishing, if you hadn't guessed already. And I'm joined here by Keith Mc Donnell, all the way from our capital city and
the Big Smoke.
the Big Smoke, and we're here in the Midlands today, and we're going fishing a small river, and we're going doing a bit of streamer fishing. Now Keith is an acknowledged expert on streamer fishing here in Ireland, and I'm hoping to learn a whole pile from him, so be sure to stay with us. Excellent, very first cast. I hope that's a portent of good things to come.
He took the Mary Banger, the white one with the deer hair head.
Right, excellent. He took it bald headed.
He took that well, didn't he? Super.
Looks like we're going to have some action today, doesn't it? He's foul hooked, look. He's a bit thin, isn't he? He's recovering from the old spawning. Oh no, he's not in bad condition.
Not too bad. Yeah, he took it all right.
He took it fine, yeah.
Yeah, he's a beautiful trade.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Tied up this old, what do you call, he's kind of a version of my Angry Bird streamer, but he's got an old grey head like myself on him. What do you think of him, Keith? Have a look at him and tell me what you think.
Oh, he's the job.
Will he work?
Lovely, lovely, soft.
What do you think about his grey head?
Yeah.
Is he like myself?
It matches are.
Tight, isn't it?
Oh yeah. In there. Come out.
Oh! He didn't. Flashed at it, alright. He might come again. Possibility. No, he said he's only going to make the mistake once.
That was a great take.
Wasn't it?
And a great, you know, the low strike with the rod.
Beautiful.
Were you rolling for that now?
I'm rolling now.
It's a nice trade.
Gorgeous trout.
Beauty. Happy days.
Here's a look at him, Keith. He's in beautiful condition, isn't he?
Okay.
Absolutely.
Fabulous looking trade.
Beautiful, yeah.
Blue spots.
We'll see how that.
And we let him off. There you go.
Beautiful.
Nice
Excellent.
one.
Well done, boy. Now, in fairness, they act fairly quickly sometimes, because I originally reported a pollution incident and they were on it fairly quickly. Oh yes.
Got him. Well done.
He hit it really hard.
That's fabulous. Oh, they're lovely fat trays.
Oh, they're mud fat, aren't they? Away you go. That was good.
That's super.
Oh! See that?
Missed it, I was at the camera.
I read the place right anyway, he was in there, but...
Those are the real ambush points, aren't they, where you
Oh yeah.
have those scenes.
Yeah. Nice fish he was too. Whoa, Jesus. Oh, I got another swirl there. Oh, another pull.
Yeah, you're in the right spot here.
Yes. Oh, Jesus. That's 3 of them, one after the other. Another beauty.
Let's get that out of the way. Oh, and the Mary banger. It pops out. Lovely
fish.
blue cheek fella again. Great.
That's the kind of
Better fish. Give your little net handy. It's a fine trout.
beautiful.
That's the boy, isn't it?
Well done,
Lovely.
Keith. What a beauty.
Keep him in the water there for a
Yeah.
second. I'll just
Oh,
get
yeah. Oh, we have to get a photo of him. Right. Now, you have it. 100%.
Just do one.
Oh, Jesus, that was a big fish. Yes.
Well done.
Come on, get under the water, out of stock.
You lift him or will I get the net?
I'll try lifting him. Up, there he goes.
He's only just about lifting size anymore.
Any more and he wouldn't have been lifted. Yeah,
Lovely.
grand job. Away he goes. I'll get his partner now, or his father, should I say. That was a lovely take, wasn't it?
Great take.
That's the one.
Oh, what a shot.
It's alright, I'll spot just there in front of that lump of timber. It's there. Right, one more.
Lovely.
You're up in the height, of course, you can see him, can't you?
That's great. That's the great thing about the white fly as well. You can see the.
Yeah, it's very obvious, yeah. Oh. Oh.
Kieran, he only fishes white flies. He doesn't bother with anything else.
Alright.
Yeah.
They obviously work for him.
Oh yeah.
That's why he's doing it. He meant to take it that. Whoa. That looks like a good fish, Keith. He took well, didn't he?
Yep.
He's going in under the bank on you.
Not as big as I thought.
Are you complaining?
No. Now come on up here, I'll let you off. Beauty.
Look at him.
Yeah, he's gorgeous.
Yeah, he's lovely. What do you call that streamer? You have a name on them all. What's that? What do you call it?
The Mary Banger.
Put the Mary Banger up here towards the camera so that the punters can have a look.
Yeah.
There he is. He's fucking ugly, I have to say.
Mary.
Well done, Keith.
Hey.
Grand job. Lovely.
That's true. Fat trout.
Yes.
Oh, I'll let you go.
Oh yeah, he's a gorgeous fish, isn't he?
Beautiful.
Absolutely. Yeah. Gorgeous fish.
The damage to his
A
tail.
little bit of damage to the tail. Someone getting a chase at one point.
Blue cheeks.
Blue cheeks, yeah, he's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Well done, Keith. Excellent stuff.
Right.
Yep. Gone. Ha. He's gone. That was an interesting day's fishing, Keith. I take it you enjoyed it.
That was brilliant. Thanks, George.
Excellent. I'm on I have to make my way back to Tipperary now, and you have to make your way back to the Big Smoke in Dublin.
That's
With a bit of driving to do,
unfortunately.
but it was a grand day's fishing. What I noticed was that you use a sinking line. Do you use that all the time, or just some of the time?
Yeah,
Or
99% of the time. That one's a sink 5. But I mean, sometimes when the water's a bit warmer, I'll use an intermediate. But I do think there's an advantage just in getting the fly down quickly and swimming. Not that you're trying to get the fly deep.
Yeah.
It's just that you're
getting into the fishing position as quickly as possible.
Getting the fly fishing as quick as you can. Because
Right.
like a lot of them there today,
Yeah.
it only hits the water and they react.
And they're on
to
it straight away. Yeah. Yeah. Very interesting. You use a 10-foot rod almost all the time as well, don't you?
Yeah, well, particularly like when you're in rough ground, and it just helps keep that extra bit of length is handy, particularly if you're not in the river,
Yeah.
reaching out over the water and then higher back cast, that sort of stuff. So
What I noticed today, though, we met a lot of fish that we didn't actually hook. It appeared to me that, whether I'm right or wrong, it appeared to me that the streamer, in my view, was travelling too fast and they were chasing it, trying to grab it and missing it. Now, am I correct in saying that, or are they deliberately missing it? Or
you could possibly move it a bit fast for the water temperature. That they're, it's about 10 degrees the water temperature today. Maybe they're still a little bit lethargic,
Yeah.
not as quick to chase
Right.
and pounce. But yeah, I mean, there could be something in that. I do think that you get, with streamer fishing, the nature of it is that you get, you put the fly into somebody's lie and he just wants it out and he'll flash it. There's no
Right.
intention of
taking it really.
of hitting it really.
Yeah,
It's just
yeah,
he's getting it out. So you do get a certain amount
Yeah.
of that. But I definitely think, in some of those pools there, yeah, perhaps it was almost as if they missed it, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. but some lovely fish, and
yeah, some
and
beautiful
it's
fish.
Great.
And I was watching you today. Now your casting is far in advance of anything that I'm able to do. I'm self-admittedly not a good caster. I make do kind of thing, and like there's a lot I could do to improve my casting. I can see where being a good caster actually helps, because you were able to reach distances that I couldn't, obviously, and along with that you were able to more accurately drop the streamer where you wanted it. So there's definitely an advantage in taking casting lessons, but I think I got a bit long in the tooth now for that crack. So
the double haul is a really useful thing because of the mass of the fly, the weight of the fly. And when you're pulling with the line hand, you're getting the line moving quicker through the air, and moving that heavier fly quicker. Right. So there's an advantage to that, and you know, it gives you the line speed, and you can get a little bit more distance.
Right.
But yeah, it's. I mean, if you're into your streamer fishing, you know, casting is just a big part of it, because you do so much.
Absolutely,
all day long.
Right, so that's it, Keith. I'm absolutely knackered after the day now, I have to say. It's a long time since I've given the whole day fishing. Generally I go out for half a day. I've done a full day today, and my 2 legs are falling off me.
Fair play to you. We fished hard, and we
kept going as long as we could. So
some lovely trout.
Some lovely trout. We had a good old day, mighty sport, and we'll do it again soon.
Absolutely.
Excellent.